Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name's Nastazsa. If you're new here, I'd love it if you would subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Also, don't forget to follow me over on Instagram and TikTok if you haven't done so as well. For today's video, I'm just sharing with you guys a holiday gift guide. If you guys would like to see more of these and you enjoy this style of video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I'd love to share with you guys maybe like 20 gift ideas under $20, 30 under $30. If you guys want to see a series like that, let me know in the comments down below. Today's video is a nice range of pricing, so there's everything in like every single price point. As always, the links to everything will be in the description box down below for you to check out. Without further ado, we can just jump right into it. All right, the first thing that I wanted to share is just the Hatch Restore. I feel like this is a perfect item to give as a gift, especially if you know someone who is really into health and wellness. This is just a really fancy alarm clock, and I feel like it's something that the average person might not buy for themselves, but they would love to receive as a gift. So I feel like that is a really great option. Next up is this miniature diptyque candle set. This is more on the luxury side. I feel like this is a great gift to give to someone that you know loves like diptyque candles, and maybe instead of gifting them one, you can get this like little miniature set. I feel like that's always a fun little alternative. Next up is this Crosley vintage inspired record player. If you guys know someone who really is into music, this is a perfect option to give them. This would look great on any media console within the home. Next up, one of my favorites is just this Caraway non-stick pan set. This is great if you know someone who's super into baking but also into like a more healthy, non-toxic lifestyle. These are a great alternative. They definitely have a lower toxin rating when it comes to cookware, so that is a great option. You guys know this is one of my absolute favorite things that I personally own. I love my Marshall speakers. I actually have a few of them at this point. I love this little mini one because it actually is waterproof. I feel like this is perfect if you know someone who just loves to listen to music. I love the fact that these kind of look like a little miniature guitar amp, and they do come in other sizes. I'm just sharing with you guys one of the smaller options that they have. This Jolie shower head filter, seriously, I feel like this just saves my hair. Like, my hair has been in like the best shape more recently, even though I have like a ton of bleach in it. I feel like these shower heads are amazing. You'd be surprised how nasty the water is coming out of your shower, so I feel like this is again another really great gift to give someone. All right, next up is just this little pink like overshirt that I saw at Adidas that I think is so cool. It's actually unisex, and I feel like this would make a perfect gift. I feel like this looks perfect on both the girl and the male model. I absolutely love this, and I'm usually not someone who's super into color, but I feel like I really love this over. Next up is this really cool neutral Adidas backpack that I found. I feel like giving a gift like this is perfect. You can also kind of like stuff some other things in here, so you could put like a throw blanket and a water bottle, or you could just give it as is, but things like this are fun to kind of just like pack with little smaller goods. All right, I have wanted a pair of Sambas for so long. I'm surprised I haven't got them by now, but they're such a popular shoe, and I love these like little platform version. I feel like these would make a really great gift, and Adidas has a ton of colors of these right now. I know they usually sell out quick, but there's so many different options. They also have a ton of options for the gazelles. These are a great unisex shoe as well. I love this like blue suede, but again, as I mentioned on the site, there are so many different colors to choose from. And then I absolutely love this little crop top. I feel like this is such a fun gift and like perfect if you're giving someone like the gift of clothing and you don't really know their style. I feel like this is just like a safe bet to get, and it's not super expensive. I feel like it's a really nice crop top, and I'm very tempted to purchase this for myself because I think it's so cute. All right, I have a jacket similar to this that I have in multiple colors. It kind of is like a Free People-esque item, but this one is a lot more affordable. This one is around 20 bucks. They have it in a ton of colors, so I feel like this is also a really great gift to give someone because these little fun jackets are so nice to wear. This Cuisinart stainless steel cookware set is perfect if you know someone who really enjoys cooking and again cares a little bit more about what they're cooking with. I feel like this is a perfect set, and it's on such a great deal from Kohl's. I would definitely check it out. All right, this is also a really cool gift. I haven't seen this before, but it's a Ninja, but it's a portable blender. I've definitely seen portable blenders before, but I wasn't aware that Ninja made one, and I was expecting it to be like 100 bucks because it's the Ninja brand, and it's actually under $40. So definitely check out that sale while you can. I feel like that makes such a great gift. You can like make like a little smoothie, or if you know someone who loves to work out, they can kind of make their protein shake in the car. I feel like these are super handy to have. Next up is just this Amazon Echo Show. I feel like this is just the perfect gift to give anyone. It's a really nice electronic device that doesn't absolutely break the bank. You can kind of do a ton of stuff on this, play music and do a lot of like fun like notes, and you can integrate like your calendar. So many different things with this. You can sync it with other things around the home as well. So if you know someone who's like into more tech stuff, this would be a fun little gadget to give them. And then I definitely wanted to add some sort of like kids toy in here. I know that this one for this year is super popular, and it's under $15 with the sale right now. So these little fun like wooden cleanup tools are so cute for children. I know a couple of people with kids, their kids really like to clean up when they were smaller. So I feel like these are just super cute in a fun way that they can kind of like use it as a toy, but also help clean as well. All right, this is actually top of my wish list. This North Face jacket is so cute. It's actually on sale right now. So if you were thinking about giving it as a gift or maybe even picking it up for yourself, now would be the time to snag it. As you guys can tell, I'm definitely into brown jackets this season, but this is also available in a few different colors. I personally love North Face. I feel like it's a really nice gift if you just wanted to give someone like a North Face jacket, or if you didn't want to spend that kind of money, finding like a North Face beanie is also a really great thing to give. All right, I feel like I always include this in my gift giving, but I feel like this is the perfect gift if this is within your budget and you know someone who like loves espresso and coffee. These Breville espresso machines are great. They're also always on sale this time of year, so even if you're not thinking of giving it as a gift and you wanted to finally snag one for yourself, they're like anywhere from $100 to $400 off depending on which one you want. So I feel like the holidays is a great time to check these out. But again, a really, really nice gift if this is within your budget to give. All right, finding Dyson vacuums or any Dyson products on sale this time of the season is perfect because they do make amazing gifts. This vacuum is under $300 on the sale, which I feel like is a lot better than their usual vacuum pricing. Their vacuums go up to like $800, which is insane. Some I think might even be more than that. So getting that one on a good deal is great, especially if you know someone who likes to keep their house clean. Dysons are just such good quality. And then sticking with the Dyson hair dryer is also on sale. I know that the air wrap and all of those things are also on sale. I just wanted to include the blow dryer because I feel like it's a great gift and maybe an alternative for someone who doesn't necessarily need the air wrap. I had the hair dryer before I had the hair wrap, and I feel like they're both really amazing products, so makes a very beautiful gift for this time of the season. And then this is just the Dyson Pure Air Cool. So this is like a air purifier and a fan, and you can get them with a heater depending on which one you want. You can get them all like as a combo. I love to have air cleaners in absolutely every room within the home, and I feel like this one's kind of like a two-in-one because the fan on it is amazing, and especially when it gets to those hotter months, it definitely can cool you down. And then the heater on this, believe it or not, is really great as well. You can kind of put it on a timer and have it turn off. So kind of great if you're just like wanting to have like a little bit of heat on before you go to bed. This is a great option. All right, and then moving on to a few of like my top favorite, I would say, shoe options, because I feel like shoes are just so easy and they're such a good gift. They're at that like middle ground price point too, depending on what you get. So these first pair are just Nike Dunks. Again, I feel like this is a perfect gift for male or female. They work for everyone. Again, they come in a ton of different colors, super trendy, and I think that they're super comfortable as well. Next up would just be these UGG classic short boots. I've had these on my list for the past few years. I've been wanting to just like snag them for myself and I haven't, but I feel like these are awesome. They're super comfortable. Believe it or not, I still have like my UGGs that I've had for several years now. I definitely have had the same pair of UGGs for like 15 years. So when you get them, they're really good quality and they last forever. So they are a really good solid gift to give someone. And then these are probably one of my favorite shoes at the moment. These are just the New Balance shoes. These are super comfortable. I have them in the green colorway, which is a little bit harder to find. They have a ton of great colorways right now on Foot Locker if you want to check them out. I think they're amazing and they're seriously so comfortable. These are like my favorite. Then if you know someone who really likes to work out, I feel like the Nike Metcons are a really great option. Super comfortable. They're great for walking too, just like even just like wearing with like a casual outfit. But if you specifically know someone who likes to work out, I know that these are really great workout shoes as well. Then these Nike V2K run shoes. Oh my gosh, I love these. Like the metallic detailing on them I think is so good. I feel like they are amazing. I've had them on my wish list for a while, so I feel like these are also like the top shoe right now, so definitely it would make a really great item to check out and get as a gift for someone else or for yourself. All right guys, those were all of the gift ideas that I wanted to share with you guys for today's video. As I mentioned earlier, if you enjoyed this video, let me know by giving it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys would like to see more gift guides. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!